Did you know that a man's preference for breast size might reveal more about his psychology than you think? Studies show that attraction to breast size is influenced by factors like evolutionary instincts, personal experiences, and even financial status. It's not just about aesthetics. There's a deep-rooted psychological aspect behind why men find certain breast sizes more appealing. Research suggests that men facing financial instability are more likely to prefer larger breasts, possibly because, on a subconscious level, they associate them with better nourishment and fertility. On the other hand, men who are financially secure often lean toward smaller breasts, valuing qualities like youthfulness and fitness. This connection between attraction and economic status is something most people never consider. Another fascinating factor is the role of hormones. Higher testosterone levels in men are linked to a stronger preference for larger breasts, as testosterone drives the desire for more prominent physical features. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Psychologists have found that cultural upbringing plays a huge role. In societies where kavya bodies are celebrated, men tend to be more drawn to larger breasts, while in cultures where slim figures are idolized, smaller breasts become more desirable. There's also an element of maternal association at play. Some studies suggest that men who were breastfed for longer as babies might develop a subconscious preference for larger breasts, though this theory remains debated. Beyond that, the way media portrays ideal female bodies heavily shapes preferences. The rise of social media, influencers, and unrealistic beauty standards continues to shift the perception of what is considered attractive. Attraction is complex, and when it comes to breast size, it's about much more than looks. It's a mix of biology, psychology, personal history, and even economic background. So the next time someone debates whether bigger or smaller is better, remember, it's not just about size, but about the deeper psychological factors driving those preferences.